So today I'm gonna explain how to make a video like this. So in this video that I have already made, the illusion is basically looping clone, but I use some compositing techniques so you can see there are two women walking while the illusion is working. So it makes the video more convincing. So we gotta learn within 10 minutes how to make a video like this. I have already made some examples, so just take a look first. So this is called looping clone effect. So you just need to select your opacity and mask. Then you probably need to change your screen to 50 or whatever you want. Just make it as comfort as you can for you. So just draw a mask. You can do it pretty rough. You don't need to stick too close to your character. It's pretty fine. After that, click inverted, then click the mask path, then you can change it to fit if you want to. Then you just move one frame, then move your mask. Remember that we don't need to do it very clean, but it's pretty rough. I speed up the process. This usually takes quite long, like 15 minutes probably. There you go. Yep. After we finish masking this, just duplicate it to 3 layers, and I forgot one thing. Just go back one frame. Just go back one frame and clear the mask. There you go. Then I can see two clones of me, and move it to upper layer so you can stack it more. Looking for correct position. Alright. Then you have to stack it once again. There are 4 of me there, and once again. See, you can see the dark area is the masking that you have made. And after that, we have to find the moment when I can see all of me in one scene, then do nested sequence 1. I don't like to rename, so just let it be. And after that, I cut when the moment is correct. When the moment is just correct, you have to find your own time, your own momentum when you can see all of you is in one scene. So after you find that, what you just need to do is just copy that nested sequence, and you got this looping sequence, looping clone effect or whatever it is, until forever, just like this. And The last thing I have to do is just clear the mask for the last footage, so you don't need to see the dark area at the end. Just delete the mask. Then the scene is end. This is pretty interesting, but yeah, this is the second variation you can do. So I'm holding a tissue and I'm walking to the camera, show up the tissue and move. Then there should be me again behind the tissue. So what you need to do is just the same thing, just mask. I speed up the process. It's gonna be spend a lot of time if I explain it one by one. There you go. And boom, you can see the illusion works properly right now. There you go, pretty smooth. Then stack it up and nest it and find the momentum that you can repeat it again, repeat over and over again, so it's looping, endless looping. I love this effect so much. And then cut. Yeah, I think I have to cut it here. So this is the point where the video will continue looping. So I just need to copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste the nested sequence. Let's see. Boom. And the last step is nest them into one, and then you gotta make it a little bit look like a real illusion or something. Just make it like fake camera movement from cinecom.net. Oh no, it's Cinecom YouTube channel. Yeah, Cinecom is one of my favorite too. So just use the camera movement, fake camera movement, to have more convincing video. And the last thing is actually the same thing we do. It just make a mask. Basically, we just use the logic of crop effect, that you can make a twin of you, but here we just add mask. This is the result. But there are two mistakes that I made in this video. Why? Because there are two shadows missing. You can see at the door. Then when it is looping, there is also missing shadow on the wall. So basically it happens because I don't think much about the shadow, about the perfectness or the smoothness that I can make for this video, because it is just only for tutorial. So guys, that's it. Please remember that the most important part of making this effect is understanding the concept, alright? Not memorizing the steps. So once you understand the concept, then you can make a lot, or even develop this technique for more advanced videos or visual effects. Happy editing, happy life. See you next time.